Upgrade Digital Camera Review. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use camera for kids or beginners, the Qumcou Upgrade Digital Camera is a fantastic option. With its 50MP sensor and 16x digital zoom, this camera captures high-quality photos and FHD 1080p videos, making it perfect for capturing family moments or outdoor adventures. Designed with portability in mind, this camera is lightweight and comes with a 2.5-inch color screen, making it easy for kids to handle. The included 32GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries ensure that users have plenty of storage and shooting time, whether they're on a road trip or just taking snapshots at home. It also features a variety of shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and continuous shoot. For added convenience, it doubles as a webcam, making it ideal for video calls or online meetings. This camera is perfect for kids aged 6 and above, helping them develop an interest in photography with its intuitive controls and features like motion and face detection. It's an ideal gift for holidays or special occasions. Pros: lightweight and portable. High-resolution 50MP sensor. 16x zoom with various shooting modes. Includes 32GB SD card and 2 batteries. Easy for kids and beginners to use. Webcam functionality. Cons: the sound quality in video mode could be better. No night vision or audio recording. Overall, the Qumcou digital camera is a versatile and affordable choice for anyone starting out in photography. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.